You ever stop and think about the ground you walk on? Sidewalks, roads, even the foundation of that fancy skyscraper downtown. It's all concrete, folks. And let me tell you, this stuff is the backbone of our world. We're talking houses, bridges, dams, you name it. Without concrete, our cities would be piles of dust. Concrete is everywhere. It's the foundation of your house, the sidewalk you walk on, the roads you drive on. It's even in those massive dams holding back rivers. This stuff is the silent hero of construction, holding up our world 1 cubic yard at a time. Now, concrete might seem simple, but there's a whole lot of science and hard work that goes into it. It's not just pouring some gray goop and calling it a day. We're talking precise ratios of cement, water, sand, and gravel, all mixed together to create a material that's strong enough to withstand the test of time. Trust me, I've mixed my fair share of concrete, and it's no walk in the park. But you know what the best part about concrete is? It's durable. This stuff can last for decades, even centuries if it's done right. We're talking Roman aqueducts still standing strong after thousands of years, all thanks to the power of concrete. So, next time you see a concrete structure, take a minute to appreciate the hard work and ingenuity that went into building it. It's a testament to human innovation and our ability to shape the world around us. Let's break down where we find concrete, starting with roads. Those highways connecting our country, concrete. Those sidewalks keeping pedestrians safe, concrete. It's the foundation for smooth, reliable transportation. Then there are bridges. These marvels of engineering spanning rivers and canyons rely heavily on concrete's strength and durability. Think about the Golden Gate Bridge, an icon built to last thanks in part to, you guessed it, concrete. Houses, both humble and grand, utilize concrete in their foundations, walls, and even driveways. It provides structural integrity, ensuring homes can withstand the elements and stand the test of time. And what about dams? These massive structures, responsible for controlling water flow and generating power, depend on concrete's immense strength to hold back incredible forces. Concrete is essential for flood control, irrigation, and providing clean energy. Not all concrete is created equal. Just like you wouldn't use a hammer to tighten a screw, different construction projects require specific types of concrete. For example, there's high-strength concrete, perfect for skyscrapers and bridges because it can handle immense pressure. Then you've got your standard concrete, your workhorse for everyday construction like sidewalks, foundations, and driveways. It's durable, affordable, and gets the job done. And don't forget about reinforced concrete, which combines concrete's compressive strength with steel's tensile strength, making it ideal for structures that need to bend and flex without cracking. We also have specialized mixes like lightweight concrete, often used in precast elements like blocks and panels. It's easier to transport and install, making construction a bit less backbreaking. And for those decorative touches, stamped concrete can mimic the look of brick, stone, or even wood, adding a touch of elegance to patios and walkways. Each type of concrete has its unique properties, making it suitable for specific applications. It's all about choosing the right tool for the job, or in this case, the right concrete for the project. Now, let's talk about how this magical mixture comes to life. Commercial concrete production is a well-oiled machine involving huge plants, specialized trucks, and a whole lot of know-how. It all starts with the ingredients: cement, aggregates like sand and gravel, water, and often some admixtures to tweak the concrete's properties. These ingredients are precisely measured and fed into a massive mixer, kind of like a giant rotating drum. The mixer churns and tumbles, blending the ingredients into a uniform grayish slurry. This process is crucial for achieving the right consistency and ensuring the concrete will cure properly. Once the concrete is thoroughly mixed, it's poured into those iconic concrete mixer trucks you see rumbling down the road. These trucks are specially designed to keep the concrete rotating, preventing it from hardening prematurely during transport. When the truck arrives at the construction site, the concrete is poured directly into the designated forms, ready to be shaped and molded into whatever structure it's destined to become. It's a fascinating process, from the precise mixing to the carefully timed delivery, that ensures each construction project gets the high-quality concrete it deserves.